everyone, welcome back to the Budgeting Sisters. This is Melissa, and today we're going to be going over the basic Paycheck Bill Tracker. This is the Paycheck Bill Tracker printable worksheet. For me, at the moment, $2 for a download printable was much more realistic for my budget. It is the exact same layout as what my sister showed you. It gives you the income slot where you can write in your income. So let's go ahead. This is Melissa. This next section is for bills, which then you get. After your bills, you subtract what is your bill total from your income, and that's what you put here in this leftover spot. Your envelopes, we are not going to do today. I just didn't get a chance to set it up, and I'm just trying to get the basic bills set up for this month. Again, trying to stick with keeping those four walls, whatever we need to keep our house running. That's my focus for this month. So envelopes right now, to me, are not important. Now we may throw some of those in next week. We'll see. Sinking funds right now, again, I do not have those set up, so I will not be doing that. And this section, extra debt, we are not tackling debt at the moment. We are just making basic payments, and you'll see those over here in our bills. I am going to give this extra amount that I have left over a specific place to go. It's not going to go in savings because, again, I'm just trying to get caught up, but that's okay. One step at a time. Okay? Now, down here at the bottom, you'll see income minus section 1, section 2, section 3, section 4, and section 5. And then what we should have here at the end is a zero balance, meaning that everything in our budget has a place to go and a name is given to it. Let's go ahead and get started. This is September paycheck number 2 for me. This is a 5 paycheck month for me. But we took last week and we decided to use that to directly, right quick, get a few things caught up. That's why you won't see those on here. And this is paycheck number 2. We have our car insurance, and our car insurance is normally $80, but I have a $20 fee that is going to be added on there. So that brings it to a total of $100. This is one of those things that, though we are current, we are just a little bit behind in schedule-wise, so we'll be getting that caught up and back actually current. After car insurance, we will have Ken, my husband's loan, which he pays every 2 weeks. And this week, our budgeted amount that is due is $208. Then we have my loan, which I pay weekly on, and that is budgeted for $60 a month. No, I'm sorry, $60 a week. I just said that. I pay that weekly, $60. Then I am actually in school, and so I have a payment due on my school bill, and that is $150. Thankfully, that is almost paid off. Then after that, I hate seeing this on here. I have Klarna. Klarna is one of those buy now, pay later type deals. I have 2 payments coming out. For a total of $50. Now, one of those will be paid off after this payment, and the other one is a 3 out of 4 payments will be paid. After Klarna, this is Ken's Circle K. This is the Sip and Save program that hopefully you checked out the short about. Such a great program. That is $8. And then I have my Circle K for $8. That program gets us 1 drink every day for free for just the $8 a month. Great program. We try to stick to this being our only sodas for the course of the month, so that saves us a lot of money and cuts us back on soda at the same time. So that is all good. Now after that, you will see that I don't have any groceries on here. We are actually kind of doing a little mini pantry challenge. We are cleaning up our freezer, and using up what we have in our pantry. So actually for groceries, we have $0 budgeted. Now, I do have a friend that is supposed to be bringing me in some fresh produce, so hopefully that will be some fresh goods for the week, which is all we should be needing. Now, this total brings us to a bill total of $584. Now, as far as the extra savings, any extra money we bring over this $584, or that we have left over from what I actually made, is going to be going for gas for the car, which is legitimately extra. We have enough in there right now that we could go through the next 2 weeks. So anything we put in there is just extra. And medicine. Now we do have an actual budget amount for medicine of $100, but that does not need to be paid out all at once, as not everything is due at once. And so any little bit that we can put on that is great. So this is our total for this week's paycheck. Now we will have, this paycheck will be coming into the bank on Friday. I have the amount that I should be getting, a place for every single bit of it to go that is necessary for bills. Anything left over the amount after bills are taken out is going to go for gas and medicine. Now, the ultimate goal is a zero-based paycheck. Everything has a place. The reason that I have gone to using this program is I used to have it all laid out, one monthly thing. This to me brought nothing but stress because I saw everything all at once. With this now, I still have my monthly outline, but this allows me to see that we are progressing each and every month, each and every paycheck. We are progressing forward, things are getting paid, extras being done on things, and eventually we're going to get back to having our envelopes in our sinking funds so that we can also make way on some extra debt. This, to me, brings control. It brings down that anxiety level and swaps it for having more control in my hands of telling my money where to go. It has a place to go. And it is going exactly where I told it to go. And if it doesn't go there, then whose fault is it? Mine. It's my responsibility to make sure that these bills are getting paid first and foremost. These are extra, remember. These have to be paid. So before we hit Circle K or Hardee's or anything like that on Friday morning, these have to be paid. Because all those other things have to be taken out of this exact same money. So if we take those out first and then try to go pay our bills, we're not going to have the money to pay our bills because we already spent it at Hardee's that morning. So we want to go ahead. We have our plan in place for Friday when we get paid. The minute that check hits the bank, these things get paid, then we move it into extra what we have. And if we have enough, then we hit up Hardee's. But that is truly extra. Truly extra. But needed sometimes. So, we'll stay with that. But we are all set, ready to go for this Friday for paycheck number 2 for September. So write down a comment down below. Everything has a place. Everything has a place because that is our goal and our focus for this month. I am really excited to see where we're going to end up at the end of this month and how much we can get on getting those 4 walls of basic needs caught up and back current. So keep checking back and we'll see you later on our next video.